God, she gonna suck us up on everything.
Hit her up.
Nigga. And she got 3 thumbs too,
What the
bro.
fuck?
But bro, I'm out, my nigga.
Where you about to go?
I was finna chill with my Somali niggas.
Shit, let me come through.
I don't even know, my nigga.
Cause I'm black.
My nigga, they fucking darker than you, my nigga. It's just that they some crazy ass Somalians, my nigga.
Well, shit, teach me how to be Somali then.
Alright then, what's up? Let's go.
Alright.
Versace, Medusa head on me like I'm Numinati. This is a gated community, please get the fuck off the property. Rap must be changing cause I'm at the top and there's no one on top of me.
يا عبدي صاحي
Hey, black guy. How are you?
Oh, this one nigga, Ron.
One. Salamat.
Yeah, me Abdi, my nigga.
Lamura.
Nah, but we gonna teach you how to be Somali.
Somali.
Yeah, Somali.
Yeah. Sina, sahib.
What's up, nigga? Where you at?
Hey man, where that nigga at, man?
Fuck, man, you had me waiting out here for a good ass minute.
Man, what the fuck, man?
Oh shit, I'm coming right now.
What? Hey, mistake number 1. Kobe Bryant, sit down. Tell them you're gonna be there in 5 minutes.
Alright. Yo, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Nigga, you told me that like 50 minutes ago. What the fuck?
Rule number 1, Kobe. We are never on time.
Shit. I ain't got no toilet paper in here. Shit, where's toilet paper at? Yo, can I get some toilet paper?
Toilet paper. Yeah, this nigga.
Kevin Hart. Rule number 2, no toilet paper.
Nigga, wash your ass.
Ron, take us to the halal. All of us. Take us. Let's go.
Alright.
You know what?
Property. Rap must be changing cause I'm at the top and there's no one on top of me. Niggas be wanting a verse for.
What is this? Lil Wayne. We don't listen to this kind of music. I'll show you the real music. This is what we play with. This trance hip hop and hip hop. Listen. Hey, not mine. Do this, like this, yeah, like this one. Hey. Here, put this around your neck. Hey.
Yo, I gotta tell you something.
What's up?
I fucked this bitch the other day without a condom.
Oh, you slipping, man. Thank goodness.
I think I need help now. Because I started itching down there, so I need help.
Let's eat.
Get a spoon.
A what?
A spoon?
Denzel, no spoon in this house. Only Somali with hands. That's it.
There's only 3 reasons why God gave us hands.
1,
To eat.
2,
Take other niggas' hand.
and 3.
To masturbate.
Now let's eat, my friend.
Where's the banana?
Oh, banana, hey.
Banana.
What is the banana?
Oh, banana.
Hey.
Banana, the only time we eat banana is breakfast, lunch, dinner, and pussy. That's it.
Every single meal.
Every meal. That's it.
That's it.
Let's go. Eat.
Sick, you got some Pepto-Bismol?
Man, Wiz Khalifa, I'm telling you, man, you don't want the Somali life. This Somali life is crazy, my brother. You should. Oh my God! Wiz Khalifa, you're so high. Always high. Look at the car.
I'm sorry.
My
Sorry.
baby, it's okay.
No.
But this one, oh my
I'm gonna
God.
call the police.
No. Hold on. I called somebody. I called my friend. Hold on.
Call the police.
Hello? Abdi. Yo, call the other Abdi. We got into a car accident. So I got to Joey, man. You know what to do. Come on, let's go. Oh, there goes Abdi.
Oh, I'm right here. Right here.
Hey, Abdi, number 3. Abdi. Abdi.
Oh shit, nigga, we about to get paid.
Abdi, come on. Sokala. Abdi number 1, number 2. Number 2. Abdi number 3. Abdi Michael Jordan. He's a piece of shit. Ready? We're gonna get paid.
What's going on?
These are my boys. Gotta pack the money. We're gonna get paid. Fake it, enter it. Come on, fake it, enter it.
What's up, nigga? Let's get paid.
Our Somalis, we don't say P, we say B. B. Like Bussy. Bieber.
Ball.
No, Paul.
Congratulations, you are part of the Somali people. You passed the test. This qamis is for you. These animals. Now your new name is Abdi.
Alright, bro. This Somali shit is too much. I'm just not fucking with you guys. Stay up.
Versace, Medusa head on me like I'm Illuminati. This is a gated community, please get the fuck off the property. Rap must be changing cause I'm at the top and there's no one on top of me. Niggas be wanting a verse for a verse, but man, that's not a swap to me. Grinding in compliments, pool in the backyard that look like Metropolis. I think I'm selling $1 million for sweet man, I guess I'm an optimist. Born in Toronto, but sometimes I feel like Atlanta adopted us. What the fuck is you talking about? Saw this shit coming like I had binoculars, boy. Versace, we stay at the mansion when we in Miami. The pillows Versace, the sheets of Versace, I just want a Grammy. I've been so quiet, I got the world like, what the fuck is he planning? Just make sure that you got a backup plan, cause that shit might come in handy. Started a label, the album is coming September, just wait on it. This year I'm eating your food at my table, got so many plates on it. 100 and TV at my house, I sit back like damn, I look great on it.